Hello, I'm Tom Clanton. I'm an orthopedic foot and ankle specialist from the Stedman Clinic in Vail, Colorado. I've been asked to give you a little quick overview on the evolution of soft tissue repair, which has been one of the mainstays of the distal extremity group at Orthopedics. Advancements introduced by Orthopedics have led to major changes in how we fixate our soft tissue procedures in the foot and ankle, allowing better outcomes and earlier rehabilitation. But we should never just bury our heads in the sand and ignore advancements that are being used in other subspecialties for similar purposes. So when the elbow experts began advocating a better method for tendon fixation of the distal biceps, it was worth investigating, and the biomechanical and outcomes research have certainly supported this technique for use, as you see here. So when the elbow experts began advocating a better method of tendon fixation for the distal biceps reconstructions that they were doing, it was really worth looking at that and seeing that it did give better strength and better stiffness, and this was a technique that really was useful in anchoring tendons into bones and might be better than what we had used previously. So this is an example of the tension slide cortical button with interference fit screw fixation for an FHL tendon. You see the button is inserted through the calcaneus. Then we have the sutures that are placed through the button, and so now they are being toggled in order to pull the tendon into the bone tunnel and pull the cortical button against the plantar aspect of the calcaneus. As you'll see on this fluoroscopic image, you want it just distal to the plantar tuberosity in this location, and once you have it there, then you can use the free needle to place a suture through the tendon at its insertion into the calcaneus tunnel, tie down the knot, and then once you have the knot secured, then you can place the interference fit screw into the bone tunnel, and that really gives you excellent aperture fixation. So this particular repair has greater strength at about 136% more than the interference fit screw alone, and more stiffness, meaning less creep. So it's an excellent technique. We've had good results with it, and I encourage you to take a look at it.